Hello, welcome to today's class. Our topic today is debugging with Laurel. This is our first plugged activity on the Code Studio this term. Are you excited? In this online activity, you will be practicing debugging in the collector environment. One of the most important parts of learning to program is learning to debug. Do you know the meaning of debugging? Debugging means finding and fixing problems in your algorithm or program. When part of our program does not work correctly, we can say that there's a bug in it. A bug can really mess up the program, so it's important to learn to debug your code. So, in this online activity, you will be faced with pre-written programs that do not work. You will be asked to fix these programs. So the process of fixing the errors in the program is what we refer to as debugging. So now let's head over to the Code Studio and solve our puzzles. So we are starting with our puzzles. We are starting with puzzle 2. So now this is what debugging with Laurel looks like. Now remember, it's all about finding the errors in the program and fixing it, just like we discussed in our last class. Remember, bugs are errors in the program. Now we've been given programs already on our workspace area, but the programs are not complete. We need 7 blocks to complete this particular level. I've been given 4. Now I'm going to click run and see how this program works. Now let's see. As you can see, there's an error in our program. Okay, so we need to fix the errors. Now let's do this together. Can you guess what block I'm supposed to use? Now, can you see? There are some treasures here that Laurel needs to pick up. Now, just moving forward won't allow Laurel pick up the treasures, because when Laurel moves, how do Laurel pick up the treasure? So now let's find if we can see a block that can help us do that. Now I can see a collect block. A collect block. I believe this block will help Laurel pick up the treasure. Okay, now let me remove this move forward block I have here. So if Laurel moves one step, Laurel will need to pick up that treasure. So I will make use of my collect block. So Laurel is moving forward and using the collect block to pick up the first treasure. Now Laurel also needs to move again and also make use of the collect block to pick up the second one, and move forward again to pick up the last treasure. Now this is our program. Now let me click run and see how this works. Yay! Can you see? So I just debugged my program. Let's continue. Fix the errors to collect all of the treasures. Now let's see, we've been given a program to. There's an error here. Okay, now can you guess what the correct block should be? Now Laurel is turning left. You can see the direction Laurel is going. She's not moving towards the treasure. Let me play this again so that you observe this. Can you see? The news error is here. This turn left. So I can change this to turn right. Okay, now let's see. Yay! Great. Now remember, debugging with Laurel is all about looking for where the errors are located and trying to fix the errors. So before you start, I would advise you first of all play the program you've been given, so that you can detect where the errors are located. Okay, now let's see this. Oh, there's an error in this program. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. Now Laurel is to move forward and to collect, but as you can see, there are 3 treasures in here. Can you see the letter 3, the number 3 just beneath the treasure? It means that the treasures there are 3 in number. So the Laurel will need to pick up those treasures 3 times. So I'm going to make use of my move forward, collect, and another collect, because there are 3 treasures there. Now let's see this. Yeah, congratulations, you've collected all 3 items. Now let's move to the next one. Let's see. Changing this to right. Now let's play this program. When run, move forward, collect, turn right, move forward, collect, turn left. Okay, so this is how to find errors in a program and then debug it. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. So I will need you to go to the Code Studio and do this and practice how to debug in a program. So complete the puzzles. Until next class, see you. Bye.